Okay, so
Okay,
that's a good
so
deal.
hola a todos. Welcome to Everyday's Days video. We are playing a simulation version of Everlong with 5 players. And I'm playing with my co-players. Let's start with Itlog, Kiluncle, Sheka, myself, Mr. Ladino, and I cannot believe I'm saying this. We are playing with Sandman, our usual moderator. So if you want to know how the game is being played, just check netgames.io so you'll know how to explore the game. So now we are going to be introduced to our roles as we are going to pick right now. And so without further ado, I'm going to hand it over to Sandman.
Okay. Thank you very much, Kido. Prepare for the closing apparently. So, FYI, 5 players, kasali ako. Yung netgames.io, check the description below. It's a good, it's a nice unsolicited promotion. Check it out. Basic simulator siya. It allows everyone to play, myself included. So basically, 5 players for Avalon, dalawang bad guy, si Assassin tsaka si Morgana, and we have 3 good guys, Merlin, Percival, at saka isang loyal servant of Arthur. Ni-randomize na yung roles, binigay na sa amin, and hopefully nabasa na lahat yung roles nila, Sheka, Itlog. So we're gonna start the game. We are starting with Itlog. Itlog, 2 people. Who goes to this quest?
Are my doors open?
Walang suggestions?
Sheka.
Uh-oh.
Of
course, me and Sheka.
Of course talaga. Okay, for the first quest, it's Itlog and Sheka daw.
Fine, we'll approve.
3 to reject. Or submit, approve, or reject. Who's against or approving it?
Let's approve.
For the first quest.
Wait, why is not working?
No, it means we're waiting for someone pa.
Oh. I got too excited.
Meron pang hindi nakakapagpili ng approve or reject.
Wait. There's a...
Oh, okay.
Sorry. Oh, wait.
Lahat naman kayo nakapagpindot ng approve or reject?
No. Wait. I'm looking for the screen. I have so many screens open. Sorry.
Interesting. Is that an evil strategy?
May malakas na ring light sa likod.
Kailangan namin ng basbas mo, Kiluncle.
Oh, no!
Oh, no.
Fail ka again, first quest.
Wait.
Uncle, pakibasbasan naman.
You can't...
tabs na bukas. There it is. There it is.
Okay.
I found it.
Edit.
Let's see.
What? First quest? Pinag-isipan maigi? Walang data.
Let's see. Wala akong data.
May
This is all
tututol sa Itlog Sheka tandem. May tututol.
Wait, is it?
And as usual, si Kiluncle tututol.
Wow, Kiluncle. That's weird of you to planning to reject.
Seryoso, pinag-isipan niyo pa rin? First quest 2 people. What?
Wow,
Against nga si Kiluncle.
No to love. No to goodness. No to beauty. No.
What? Okay, well, it pushes through. Nag-submit na sila successor mail, and the first quest is success and success.
Oh, that's nice.
No surprises there. 1 point good, guys. Next person to pick is hit tong okay, Itlog.
Ay, sorry.
Si Sheka. Sheka, pick.
Syempre.
3 people. 3 people for the quest.
Sino ba dito mukhang sinungaling? Mukhang bad.
Well, kami na lang ni Skido ang pagpipilian mo.
Yeah.
Kiluncle.
Si Kiluncle, nag-reject si Kiluncle na walang info. Very first quest, nag-reject ka. Kami na lang ni Skido.
Remember quest number 1, mapasa palagi pag tayo. I won't let you down.
Umasa na ang quest number 1. Sheka, nagpa-fail lagi ang quest number 2.
Quest number 2, quest number 1 natin.
Huwag na pumili ng iba.
No.
Ako na lang.
You choose me, watch them reject it.
Tatlo kailangan. Sa sino?
Just kidding.
Doesn't matter.
Alright.
At this point.
Wala pa namang info so manghula ka na lang.
Pare-para lang.
So,
Kill Uncle.
Yes.
So it's Itlog, Sheka, and Kill Uncle.
Bakit? Ba't ako nasama?
Let's see. Sino approve, sino reject. Skido.
Sabi ni Kill Uncle, yes. Chance ko na para i-fail.
oh no, this is
Pinili mo
gonna
na.
fail because I'm good. I will reject this.
Yeah, I did too. Si ang mga nag-reject, I see. Sino pang di nag-votes, approve or reject?
You know,
Si Kill Uncle ni pa nag-vote to, reject niya rin to.
Pinag-iisipan niyo ulit na mabuti kahit i-reject niya rin.
Kill Uncle, if you're good, reject this, okay?
Bakit?
Kung magka-team kayo ni Skido.
Good.
Wow! Nice.
What?
Everyone except Sheka rejected it. Good job.
Follow the
Ayaw kasi
advice,
ng may
Skido.
third party.
I hope you're giving good advice.
Dapat
Alright.
dalawa lang tayo.
Let us proceed. Pakiclick na okay, Sheka. So it's Skido's turn. Skido, pick 3.
Okay, I'm gonna choose 3. So
This
myself,
guy.
of course.
This guy.
Kill Uncle,
Okay.
let's see.
Can you resist this look?
Let's see
Oh
if we can
my
Kill Uncle.
Wala na ako
God.
dyan.
Reject.
Ay.
Wala na.
RBG could not reject.
Even if you pick me, it wouldn't make sense. Unless the long bad si Itlog and Sheka. So
Wait, ano to? Third quest?
it's a new
So, tapos
batch.
na dapat?
Second pa
I'm
lang.
good.
Second quest pa lang.
Okay, I'm gonna choose myself, Kill Uncle,
Wala na
and
to. I'm gonna reject.
Man.
Even if yeah, kasi it's a
Oh,
new
choose
batch.
me.
So you're assuming na both
Okay.
Sheka
Okay.
and Itlog are bad?
Okay,
Oo
so
nga.
I'm gonna choose myself, Sheka, and it's Lord.
Skido, there's a reason I rejected this first. Skido, there's
Oh
a reason
wow,
I
sige,
rejected
let's hear it.
the first quest.
Let's hear it. Without data,
Sige, ano
walang info.
reason?
Start of the game, yes, please say why.
There's a reason, Skido, there's a reason I rejected the first quest.
Why is that?
Why?
I wasn't,
passed.
it was 50-50.
What?
So, kaso sinama mo sila Itlog and Sheka.
Skido, I think we're on the same
Okay.
side.
I am gonna try this. I'm gonna try this. If this fails, then we'll
I'm
have more
rejecting.
information.
I'm rejecting it.
But I think
That fails, meaning in fails siya.
it means you and Sheka
I got it. I rejected it. Wala na. Pasok siya. Kami lang ni Kill Uncle nag-reject. Success. Wow!
Tapos na.
Wow!
Alam na.
Goodbye, goodbye.
Yes, correct.
Kill Uncle, I'm good. We're on the same side here.
No. Okay,
No.
I dare.
Kill
I
Uncle.
dare. Kill Uncle.
Kill Uncle.
Kill Uncle.
I voted against
Right.
it. Kasi I understood what you meant. I
Let's try
voted
Kill Uncle and
against it.
Sandman.
Think about it.
I would
Kill
love
Uncle.
that.
Tapos
Kill Uncle.
na.
Think about
Okay,
it.
Kill Uncle and Sandman, let's go.
I
Kill Uncle and
voted
Sandman, let's go.
What is Simon, what are you saying?
I voted against it. I understood what you meant. Tapusin na natin to. Let's close it for them. This is gonna be a
What are you
surprise.
saying?
Kill Uncle and
Magka-closing na
Sandman.
raw si Sandman.
Oh, no.
What's
So,
your,
yeah.
what's your argument?
Mhm.
Skido, what's your argument?
Play you and Sandman, and let's see.
Yeah.
Try it. Kill Uncle and Sandman. Let's see.
Why are you not volunteering yourself though? But yeah, sige, yeah.
No,
Yeah.
I'm a
No.
given.
No.
I like Kill Uncle and
Yeah,
Sandman.
sure.
Because you two are the bad guys. Why are you choosing me, Kill Uncle? That's sus. I'm gonna reject that. I
Check
only
out what
want
you
you
think.
and Sandman.
Sige, 2
Reject.
people.
Rejected yan.
I was doing
Reject.
50-50 ng quest
No,
1.
we'll reject that. We'll reject that.
Oh,
Okay.
this is the third quest kung sino yung mga good guys eh.
Kill
Check
Uncle
out
and
the people.
Sandman are bad. The OGs are bad. The seniors are bad. The,
The uncles.
What?
The young, yeah.
Kill
The
uncles.
titos.
Let's reject
You
this.
and I rejected it.
The fact that Kill Uncle chose me instead of Sandman, that's already the inclination of sus right there. The word suspicious. And look at Sandman's face, the distraught.
This
So
is
yeah,
fine. This is-
those are the bad guys. Okay.
Similarity.
Squiddo and Sandman are right.
Kill Uncle, we will only pass this if
Pero
you and
nag-success na si
Sandman-
Skido eh. So obviously si Sandman bad guy.
Yeah. So
Obviously, okay.
So
Do you
Kill
believe
Uncle.
that, Kill Uncle, you and I are bad kasi yung third quest wala tayo, tapos nag-succeed.
Okay, prove your
You believe
okay.
that you and I are bad?
Okay. Let's flip to another page here. Kill Uncle, choose Sandman, and we'll pass it. Let's see. You and Kill
okay.
Uncle, you play. Why are you not so ecstatic about it? If you're good, you want to clear yourselves, right? Whoa! Oh, I'm rejecting this. Kill Uncle didn't choose Sandman.
Oh, wait.
so-
Wait,
Wow.
so what is it against Sandman?
Wow.
Ay, akala ko si Sandman yung pinili
Kill
niya.
Uncle,
Akala ko sinunod
pinili
niya yung
si
payo
Skido.
ni Skido.
And dalawa lang kami na Skido nag-check.
It's either Squiddo or Sandman lang naman.
Wow.
And success and success.
Wow.
Okay, wait lang. So, the bad guys are Itlog and myself.
Wait. Sino?
Itlog and
So that means
Ako isa bad.
si Squiddo,
Itlog!
Yes.
Ako yung assassin pala, by the way.
Yeah, patay mo na si Kill Uncle.
Wait, no.
Ay.
Hindi ba si Sheikah? Kasi Morgana ka eh. Tapos sinabi niya 50-50 kayo ni Sheikah.
Sino
So,
nagsabi 50-50 kami ni Sheikah? Si Kill Uncle nagsabi
kaya
nun.
siya nag-against kasi baka Percival si Kill Uncle. Tapos
Percival
alam
si
niya,
Skido eh.
no. Bakit siya mag-against?
Tinetest niya either sa amin ni Kill Uncle eh.
Ha? Hindi.
Tas,
No. Wait.
Di ba, sige, disregard natin.
Yeah.
Sabihin natin hindi niya ako tinetest. Pero nung third quest, sobrang dinedefend niya na. Sobrang dinedefend niya na kami tatlo.
No. Ang thinking ko
Tapos
dyan,
sinabi
una,
niya si Kill Uncle yung bad.
two things. Yung una sa first quest, nag-against siya. Tapos nung sinabi niya kanina, before siya mag-decide, I was 50-50 eh. So, ibig sabihin, para sa akin, Percival siya, nakita na si Sheikah at si Itlog. Hindi niya alam kung sino din si Morgana, hindi din si Marlene. Tapos alam niya na baka mag-fail kasi 50-50. Pangalawa, hindi niya na kayo pinagpipiliin na lang ako at si Skido kasi hindi na niya alam kung sino sa inyo si Morgana. Hindi alam sino sa inyo si Marlene. So for sure, isa sa aming dalawa yung good shot, isa sa amin. Yun ang inisip ko ngayon. Baka Percival si Kill Uncle.
Nalaman ba naramdaman ba ever na alam ni Kill Uncle na bad guy ka, Sandman? Di ba? Di ba? Nung third quest, ayaw kanyang piliin.
Sa bagay, hindi niya din ako piliin.
Walang sinabi si Sheikah nun.
Uh-oh.
Pero bakit niya ako, bakit hindi niya ako piliin para mag-taxi? Lamang na lamang naman yung good. Pwede niya akong piliin for fun na lang. Kasi, ma-out pa ako nun. Kasi malang, if I-fail ko yun, no choice. Ma-out pa ako. So,
Percival si Skido, tapos nung nag-success dun sa second quest, sure na siya na ako yung Merlin.
So wait. So sino sa tingin mo? Feeling mo si Kill Uncle?
Yes, feeling ko si Kill Uncle. Pero up to you. Kasi parang hindi ko naman narinig si Sheikah nagsasalita masyado.
Oh, hindi.
Yung 50-50 yan, feeling ko sinasabi niya lang na isa sa amin bad guy. Alam niyang isa sa amin ni Sheikah bad guy.
Kaya nga. So
yun, 50-50. 50% bad, 50% good.
Pwede rin no, as Merlin, hindi as Percival. Sige. Well, if this was Skido, sobrang masa-surprise ako kung Merlin si Skido.
Grabing play yun.
Sobrang
Bakit niya ako
masa-surprise ako
yan?
kung Merlin si Skido. Sobrang may impress ako. Pero, sige. I'm a team player. If I'm nothing if not a team player, sige. I am feeling ko si Sheikah, pero I'm gonna guess, I'm gonna assassinate Kill Uncle. Kill Uncle.
Hey, what did I do to you?
Oh, wait. Parang Percival yun Parang Percival movie na. Yeah, sige. Okay lang. Okay lang. I'm guessing Kill Uncle is Merlin and I am... Oh, galing! Galing! Kill Uncle is Merlin. Yes. Galing! Good job. Sino si Percival? Si Skido nga?
Skido.
Good job!
Depende siya sa akin.
Galing! Alright, we won again! Very good! Galing! Yes! 3 straight. This guy.
So technically, I didn't win, so Skido, you still have to close.
Yeah, but actually, kailangan ko tama. Kung hindi ako na-sway ni Itlog, then I would have killed Cheka. So, I'm getting rusty. Pero, good job.
Tama pa pagkakaibig ko sa 50-50.
Sige, I'll close.
May point ka nga naman.
I will close. I'm a man of my own. Of my word, so.
Pero, siguro if I were in Uncle shoes, nakaset na yung mind ko from second quest na papatayin ko siya. Papatayin ko si Cheka. Pero if I were Uncle shoes, just to cement it, I'll pick Sandman, tapos mag-fail, tapos... Anyway, good job. Either way,
I wish Kill Uncle picked Sandman there.
Good job.
Given me more information. Because I was so sure that Itlog was Merlin. If Kill Uncle chose Sandman and that failed, I would definitely have a conclusion that Sandman and Itlog
know.
Feeling ko lang si Skido hindi na talaga alam doon sa third quest kung sino yung isang bad eh. Feeling niya talaga kami ni Kill Uncle yung bad eh. So,
I'm sure that Sandman is bad. I don't know if Sandman or Itlog or Sandman or Kill Uncle.
He didn't even vote.
Pero nung nag-second quest, sure ka ng Merlin ako.
Yeah. I was convinced.
Galing nice play. Sige, let's wrap this game up. Sino? Skido, let's do this. Please wrap it.
Wait, why me?
Apparently, let's do this.
I thought Sheka's gonna close. Oh,
hey,
God. Okay.
Come here. Next game is Sheka. Anyway, go ahead.
Okay, so that's another game of Avalon, using the simulation with courtesy of Sandman. So the bad guys won. Congrats, Sandman and Itlog, for assassinating Kill Uncle as Merlin. I still cannot believe Kill Uncle is Merlin back then. So if you want to watch that video and any of our social deduction videos, smash the like button, click subscribe if you haven't, and click on the notification bell if you wanted to have updates whenever we are going to post a new video. Don't forget to comment and to send, on YouTube and on Facebook if you wanted to join. We play every weekend. So that's it for now, and see you in our next video. So hasta la vista, guys. Bye!